Dear learner, in this video we are going to see the questions from dissolution of partnership which is given in the sample question paper 25-26. MCQ number 9. X, a partner, was assigned to look after the dissolution process and was allowed a remuneration of 15,000. Actual realization expense amounted to 20,000 being paid by another partner Y. By what amount realization account will be debited above mentioned information. realization account कितना डेबिट करेंगे हम 15,000 जो X को remuneration पे किया वो एंड 20,000 जो Y को पे कर रहे हैं एज अ part of realization expense. Total 35,000 will be debited. Option B is correct, 35,000. And next MCQ is 15 is given. MCQ number 15. Arun, Basu and Tarun were partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 5:3:2. Their firm was dissolved on 31st March 2025. On this date, following assets and liability were appearing in their books. Building है 2 लाख रुपीज़ का, फर्नीचर है 80,000 का, स्टॉक है 70,000 का, गुडविल 10,000, डेटर्स 40,000, कैश बैलेंस 20,000, क्रेडिटर्स 50,000. यहाँ तक आपको असेट्स दी थी, अभी आपको लाइबिलिटीज दी है क्रेडिटर्स, अरुण's लोन, तरुण ब्रदर्स लोन एंड बस इतना दिया हुआ है. असेट्स रियलाइज दिया है 3,40,000. डिटरमाइन द अमाउंट ऑफ रियलाइजेशन एंड गेन. आपको क्या करना है, टोटल एसेट्स कितनी है बुक वैल्यू, उसमें से कितना रियलाइज हुआ 3,40,000 एंड उसमें से कितनी लाइबिलिटी हमने पे करनी है वो माइनस कर दोगे, यू विल गेट द आंसर. एंड आंसर इज देयर इज अ लॉस ऑफ 60,000. ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट, लॉस ऑफ 60,000. आप असेट्स माइनस लाइबिलिटी करो, रियलाइजेशन जो हुआ है वो प्लस करो एंड जो भी आपको पेमेंट करना है वो माइनस करोगे, यू विल गेट द realization loss. And question number 18 is given from the dissolution of partnership firm. Question number 18 में आपको दिया है हेमंत and Pankaj were partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2. The firm was dissolved on 31st March 2024 and the following balances were appearing in the books of firm. Hemant's loan, Ruby's loan, creditors, capital account after adjustments. All the adjustment. Hemant 1,60,000, Pankaj का दिया है 1,40,000. Assets of the firm realized 6 lakh. Assets 6 lakh की realize हुई है. You are required to show the amount in order of payment as per section 48 of Indian Partnership Act 1932 at the time of dissolution of the firm. According to section 48, what is the sequence of payment that we are supposed to say? The first we will pay 1 lakh to the creditors, 50,000 paid to the rubies respectively because they are the outside liability. वो क्या हो गई, outside liability हो गई. तो 1 lakh paid to the creditors होगा एंड 50,000 रूबी की लोन जो है वो हम पे करेंगे फर्स्ट. सेकंड, जो असेट्स रियलाइज हुई है उसमें से सेकेंडली हम पे करेंगे हेमंत की लोन है. देखो यहाँ पे हेमंत की लोन है 80,000, तो वो 80,000 पे करेंगे एंड लास्ट में हम पे करेंगे कैपिटल बैलेंस ऑफ हेमंत एंड पंकज 1,60,000 and 1,40,000 which is given in the question. With surplus of 70,000 paid to the partner Hemant and Pankaj 42,000 and 28,000 that is in the profit sharing ratio. 6 lakhs में से हम इतना सारा पेमेंट करेंगे, बाद में भी हमारे पास 70,000 का प्रॉफिट बच रहा है. that 70,000 profit will be divided between the partners in their profit sharing ratio. So these 3 questions were given in sample question paper 25-26 from dissolution of partnership firm. Thank you.